Visit to Pakistan in the month of April for this great event and great signing ceremony, which will be watched not only the people of Pakistan, not only in the four nook and corner of our brotherly country, Azerbaijan, but globally. And this is what we must achieve, and this is what we must reflect: peace and progress and prosperity, not only in this region, but in the length and breadth of this entire world. Warm waters of Arabian Sea to the expanse of Caspian Sea is our friendship, is our brotherhood, and we will solidify it, we will strengthen it through our mutual efforts, and inshallah this brotherhood will live as long this world is in existence. Thank you very much, and God bless you.